Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to analyze one Indian company. Okay, now let's see. We will select the company from India. Dower India. We have to analyze. I think that this is one of the biggest conglomerate company in India. Up to all-time high, its stock price rose by 8.56k. Upcoming report October 30 report period Q2 2024 EPS 3.02, market cap 1.11 trillion INR, dividend yield 0.88, price to earning ratio 60.15, revenue 122.98, consumer non-durables, household personal care, Mohit Malhotra, employee 14.84k. Dower India Limited engaged in the distribution of fast-moving consumer good. It operates through the following segment: consumer care business, food business, and others. The consumer care business segment is involved in providing the home care, personal care, health care, and food business segment offer the packaged food, juices, beverage, and culinary. The other segment include Gurgaon Pharma, and other company was founded in 1884 and headquarters is in Ghaziabad, India. Employee revenue 122.98k, net income 18.43 billion INR, net margin 14.98, revenue to profit conversion 122.98, COGS minus 84, gross profit 38, operating expenses minus 18, operating income 19, non-operating income 3.98 minus 15, 5.17, 18.43k, debt 13.65, free cash flow 17.30, cash and equivalent 2.56, actual earning 9.55, estimate 10.01, shop price minus 0.46, here is estimate 12.07. Okay, and we will see his financial report. A financial report with overview of closely held share 1.18 billion, free float share 593.11, market cap 1.11 trillion, enterprise 1.11, price to earning 58.88, price to sales 8.76, P 55, PS 9.25, PE 56, PS 10.07, PE 54, 8.78, 56.72, 8.45, 50.42, 7.55, revenue 122, net income 18.43, net margin 14, revenue 122 minus 84, gross profit 38, operating expenses minus 18, operating income 19, non-operating income expenses 3.98, taxes and other minus 5.17, net income 18.43. Consumer care, food, retail, other unallocated, India, Middle East, Africa, Asia, Europe, America. Revenue, estimate revenue 124, 125. Here is the actual 10.38, estimate 10.02. Dividend yield 0.88 percentage, last payment 2.75, and dividend history 5.50, 1.05. Financial position assist 94.43, liabilities 8.89, debt 13.65, free cash flows 17.30, cash and equivalent 2.56. And statement also is seen over here. Total revenue 126, gross profit 44, operating income 20.39, pre-tax income 24, net income 18.79, basic earning per share 10.60, diluted earning per share 10.60, EBITDA 24.51, EBIT 20.39, total operating 105.84. Statistics, annual report with common share 1.77, float share 1 593, price to earning ratio 58.88, price to sales ratio 8.76, price to book ratio 11.21, enterprise 1.11, enterprise value to EBITDA 45.13, gross margin 34, operating margin 16, EBITDA 19.56, net margin 14.93. And we will look over this dividend history. Dividend per share 5.50, dividend yield 1.05, payout ratio 52.89, and earning will be shown here with annual earning 16.90. Uh, Consumer care 59.42, food 21.79, retail 1.23, unallocated 370, others 1.23 billion, India 93, 7 point, Middle East 7.31, Africa 7.31, Asia 6.70, Europe 4.57, America 4.57, and we will forecast its stock price up to 1 year. Forecast will looks like this. Maximum price gain will be around 28.96 percentage, average 9.89 percentage, current 620, minimum minus 9.24 percentage. Technical indicator, according to technical indicator with 1 month time frame, RSI 46, stochastic 28, commodity minus 209, average 28, awesome 6.26, momentum minus 20, MACD 3.78, stochastic 7.35, Williams minus 84, bull bear minus 90, ultimate 40, exponential 630, simple 632, exponential 630, a simple moving average 20 days 635, exponential moving average 625, simple moving average 629, exponential moving average 612, simple moving average 616, exponential 589, simple 572, exponential 570, simple 555, Ichimochi baseline 632, volume weightage moving average 637, all moving average 627, support third 509, second 571, 603, 632, 665, 694, 756, 571, 594, 609, 632, 656, 671, 694, 618, 624, 630, 632, 641, 647, 652, UD 546, 573, 608, 635, 669, 696, 731, 618, 640, 679, and we will see it on super chart also. You can see here on Superchat, this stock is highly accumulated with its all-time high. I think consumer product company will always perform well, and the total accumulated share is around 609.947, and RSI is around 63.79. Okay, this much for today for the company analysis of Dabur India Limited. Okay, and have a great day. Until then, goodbye.